Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Today it's the RS6. Taken to the max by the ideas of a group of young Audi apprentices. But more on that later. It is called the RS6 Avant GT, and this rare specimen will be limited to just 660 pieces. And its outlandishness is not just skin deep. Underneath its muscular body, the GT features a unique weight-saving coil-over suspension, and you can adjust the spring rate with the tools you'll find on board. An upgraded Quattro Sports differential is at the rear. It is taking power from the bi-turbo V8, making 630 horsepower and 850 Nm of torque. 0 to 100, 3.3 seconds. Sprint to 200, a brisk 11.5 seconds. Top speed 305. So where does the RS6 Avant GT get his looks from? The idea goes back to the RS6 GTO concept from 2020, which was a trainee project involving 12 young Audi apprentices from different areas like mechatronic, paint finish, tool making, vehicle construction technology and more. And where did the apprentices look for to find inspiration for their 2020 concept? It is of course the other car in the video. The legendary Audi 90 Quattro IMSA or IMSA GTO from 1989. IMSA being short for International Motorsports Association. The race car was piloted by Hurley Haywood, Hans-Joachim Stuck, Walter Röhrl and Scott Goodyear. Hans-Joachim Stuck won 7 races: Summit Point, Mid-Ohio, Topeka, Sears Point, Watkins Glen, Lime Rock and Laguna Seca. But looking back into the future now, the RS6 Avant GT should see delivery in the second quarter of 2024. It must be amazing for these 12 apprentices to see their efforts evolve into an actual road-going car, especially since Audi has such a strong fan base that seems to know a big deal about Audi's racing heritage. Thank you for tuning in. Hit like if you like this car and of course subscribe. Thank you very much. See you next time.